you want to grow a guava tree like this at home, then you must follow this technique. First, you need to select a healthy, vigorous guava branch of good variety. Using a sharp knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch, about 1 to 2 inches long. Now take a carrot and slit it from the middle. Take out its internal part. And set it on the branch. Carrot helps keep the branch hydrated, which is crucial for root development. Then take a 250 milliliter plastic glass, cut one side of the plastic glass, set it on the branch, and stick it with electrical tape. Then fill the glass completely with wet cocoa peat. If you don't have cocoa peat, you can use garden soda. Cover the glass with polythene. After 45 days, look friends, how beautiful roots have grown. Once the roots are well developed, carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot, then water the new plant thoroughly. After 6 months, the new plant is ready to bear fruit.